Getting work on the internet has become a little tricky because of a lot of ideas that people are putting out there. Some of them are true ideas, some of them are wrong. But today we are going to tackle one of the ideas that I've researched myself, that has worked for me, have benefited from this kind of platform, and I can assure you, even you can benefit. Do you want money for a small thing, for a small purpose in life? Maybe it's just because that you've run down, like you become so broke that you don't even have a penny in your pocket. This is the right job for you. This is the right start for you. You can be able to earn as little as $5 for a start with this website, and I'm going to show you how you can even multiply your earnings with this website. Always this is a method that is suitable for those who are actually beginners in the field of online work, but even pros can be very okay doing this kind of method. So we are going to go through everything step by step. I encourage you to subscribe, to like the video, so that it can boost this and be able to show to other people outside there just like you and I. So just to kick in, I don't want to waste your time. Please subscribe and then sit down and we get started. The first thing I want you to do is have the equipment that you need to use for this method to work. The first one is a computer. You need a computer for this work for you. And the second one is you need internet connection. You need internet connection because all the work you're going to do is all through online, is through the internet. That is it. And that is kind of all that you need right now. Doesn't matter whether you use your phone or computer, it will all work for you. It doesn't matter if you're in Africa, it doesn't matter if you're in India, it doesn't matter if you're in USA. This method again is for everyone, and it is very user friendly. It is simple enough, and I'm going to show you what happens and how much you get earned. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you bonus tips that you can use to multiply your earnings as you continue with this kind of method. The first thing I want you to do is go to the internet browser. If you're using a computer, then you press type in the same thing that you're seeing here, and that is called Userlytics. Userlytics, this is the website that we are going to be using today, and just keep straightforward with me. The first thing you have to do is just click on this. When you click on that, it's going to take you to this kind of website here. This is the website that you're going to be using today. And the first thing I want you always to do when you come through this kind of videos, the first thing you have to do, don't just see the website here then you run like, oh, let me go and start making money. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't really work. And I've tried this several times, me myself. When I was starting up, I could just see a website like this and I take off that I want to go and start making money. It will not work for you. It will not. The first thing I was telling you to do is do your own research. I do my own research and I understand this website in my own perspective. I understand fully in my own perspective. My work in this video is to show you, to give light to you that this is a platform you can exploit to make money online. But also, you also have to do research so that you have enough knowledge that to take you around how to use this website. Yeah. And again, there's a tip I can give you is just look for about questions like, how does this website work? Press on that. When you press on that, you're going to find answers that are going to fit you are let's say, I would say brain. If you're small brain or you're big brain, this will work for you. So start your test is fast and easy. Like this is how examples they give you here, so you can just go along and see what they are saying here. They are all things here that you can exploit for learning purposes. This is how the testing platform looks like when you enter into the testing here. This is how it looks. So this website, when you just read this, you just understand that this is used for testing websites. Yeah, these people pay you for testing a website, maybe 2 minutes, 1 minute, then you get paid the amount of money that you're told. The amount of money is always displayed on the project that they send you. The moment they send you a project through an email, that will indicate the amount of money that you're going to be paid in case you succeed in doing the project. And this is how this platform works. You do a project for them. The moment you do a project for them, they approve. They take it. They take around 1 to 2 days to showcase your money in your account, and you'll be able to withdraw it through PayPal. So PayPal is easy to create. It's a free platform on the internet that you can sign up for free and get payments through it. A lot of platforms use it for payment, so make sure to actually visit and make that inquiry again on me. Press the comments below and comment what you want me to make for you next, and just continue. So this is the platform. So what you want to do for us, basically we want to sign up for tester. We're not a client. We want to test a website, and that is when you get paid. You get paid for testing a website. So this is basically how the website looks like, and it's amazing that how they say here from $5. I just said it, right? So $5, $10, $15, $20, or even $90. But $90 is so hard for you to reach there unless you spend a lot of time doing tests for this website. Let's say 1 month you're doing tests for them. But I'm assuming that all you that are here, you just want to get quick money, like just want to do 1 or 2 projects and you go away. So you won't be able to earn $90 for now. But if you're a person who wants to actually do long-time business with this kind of website, trust me, be assured that you're going to be earning between $15 to $90. People will even they will want you to basically give an idea, your own opinion about a website design. They can't give you this type of design and then they tell you, please talk aloud what you think about this website for 5 minutes. For me, I would say, I love the coloring of this website. I like the font. I like the easy direct forward opinion about the website. Like, they're so direct to the point. They give you $5. This is nice. The sign up is so easy. All you have to do is put in your email here. Confirm that you are 16 years and above. So if you're 18 years, you can still do this and get rich by the time you're 20. So agree with the terms and conditions and then press sign up. And the moment you do that, they will send you an email for confirmation. Please confirm your email address and then you'll get started. So the moment you confirm your email address, these people are going to make you fill out a profile, where you come from, your age, how much of money you earn. So they're going to let's say read through your profile to give you work. So the more better your profile is, the best work you're going to get. So don't forget, I'm going to give you bonus tips about this website. So this is a very best website that you can use outside there. This is a proven way to make quick money, simple money, and you don't need to be a pro to do this kind of job. All you need to know is know how to speak, have a very good internet connection, and then the ability for you to browse through the internet, and that is all you need. It is a wide method. Payment is through PayPal, and that is it. Sign up here, just put in your email and then go here. Tick the options that I am 16 years and above, agree with the terms and conditions of the company, and then press sign up with your valid email address there. So that is it for today, my members. Please again, if you want to support me, please press in the video that is just on top there. For my next video, just support me, subscribe, yes, subscribe, and also pressing the notification bell icon, so you'll be able to get in my all my other videos just like this one. I'm going to be talking a lot about money development, and please jump in the train with me and let's make money together. Okay, thank you for today. Subscribe again. See you again in my next video.